Hello and welcome to this video on integrating pollinator gardens, a new frontier in landscape design. Pollinator gardens are becoming increasingly popular in landscape design, and for good reason. These gardens are designed to attract and support pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, which play a critical role in our ecosystem. One of the main reasons why pollinator gardens are important is because pollinators help to fertilize plants, which leads to the production of fruits, vegetables, and other crops. In fact, pollinators are responsible for the pollination of over 75% of global food crops. Pollinator gardens are also important because they provide habitat for these important species, which are currently facing a variety of threats such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. By creating pollinator gardens, we can help to provide a safe and healthy environment for these species to thrive. So, what does it take to create a successful pollinator garden? Here are some key principles to keep in mind. First, it's important to choose the right plants. Native plants are ideal for pollinator gardens because they are adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, and they provide the nectar and pollen that pollinators need to survive. Second, it's important to create a diversity of plant types and flowering times. This ensures that there is always food available for pollinators throughout the growing season. Third, it's important to provide nesting sites for pollinators. This can be done by creating areas of bare ground, providing nesting boxes for bees, or leaving dead trees and logs in the garden. Fourth, it's important to avoid the use of pesticides and herbicides in the garden, as these can be harmful to pollinators. Finally, it's important to spread the word about the importance of pollinator gardens and encourage others to create their own. By working together, we can create a network of pollinator gardens that provide habitat for these important species and help to ensure the health of our ecosystem. In conclusion, pollinator gardens are an exciting and important new frontier in landscape design. By incorporating these principles into your own garden design, you can help to create a healthier and more sustainable environment for all.